Hello students, this is Gurneet Kaur from Greenland Convent School. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, lines and angles, and I am going to discuss some key terms that you have done in previous classes also. So let us start. First is line segment. A part of line with two endpoints is called line segment. Line segment एक line का ही part होता है और उसके अगर दो end points हों उसे हम line segment बोलते हैं and it is denoted by AB. ऊपर हम एक लाइन लगाएंगे विद टू एंड पॉइंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज रे. रे इज द लाइन विद वन एंड पॉइंट. इट इज कॉल्ड रे. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ए बी. साइन सिंबल इज ए बी. ऊपर एक एरो लगाएंगे मीन्स वन एंड पॉइंट एंड इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड इन वन डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस. हेयर ए बी इज अ रे with one end point A and it can be extended in this direction. Next is line. A line can be extended in both the directions, means there are two arrows. It is denoted by AB. This is line. Next is collinear points. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा, तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा points same line के ऊपर lie करें, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, अगर वो points same line के ऊपर lie नहीं करेंगे, then these are non-collinear points. And why I am not taking 2 points here? Because 2 points always lie on a line. So आपको इसमें 3 or more points consider करने हैं. Here A, B, C are collinear points as they lie on the same line. Next is angle. An angle is formed by two rays with common initial point and that common initial point is called vertex. Here AOB is an angle, O is a vertex and OB and OA are arms of this angle AOB. Types of angles. Acute angle. An angle whose measure lie between 0 degree and 90 degree is called acute angle. Obtuse angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Right angle is equal to 90 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Complete angle, that is complete circle, which is equal to 360 degree. Reflex angle is between 180 degree and 360 degree. Here I have drawn some figures to represent the angles. This is acute angle less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. Right angle which is equal to 90 degree. Reflex angle, this part of angle. This is acute part and this part of angle is reflex angle which is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. This is straight angle and this is complete angle, complete circle. Next, there are some pairs of angles. This you have done in previous classes also. First is complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if sum of their measure is 90 degree. अगर दो angles के measures को add करके 90 degree आता है तो उसको हम complementary angles बोलेंगे. For example, 0 degree and 80 degree, 20 degree and 70 degree form a pair of complementary angles. 60 degree and 30 degree form a pair of complementary angles. Next, supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if sum of the measure is 180 degree. अगर दो angles के measure को add करके 180 degree आए तो उन angles, दो angles को हम supplementary angle बोलेंगे. Like 20 degree and 160 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. 100 degree and 80 degree, 90 and 90. These are some pairs of supplementary angles. Next is adjacent angle. Two angles having a common vertex. वो angle जिनका vertex same हो and common arm are called adjacent angles. Common vertex हो और एक arm उनकी common हो. And if their non-common arms are on the either side of common arm. जो उनकी non-common arms होंगी वो common arm के एक opposite sides पे होंगी. Let us explain this. So here there are two angles AOC and BOC. अब दोनों angles में vertex same है O. इनकी common arm होगी OC is a common arm of both the angles and non-common arms are OA and OB. These non-common arms lie on the either side. One on this side and other is on this side. So these are adjacent angles. Next is very important, linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair इफ़ द सम ऑफ देयर मेजर इज़ 180 डिग्री। अब आपने एडजेसेंट एंगल्स पढ़ा है। एडजेसेंट एंगल्स आर दोज विच हैव वन कॉमन वर्टेक्स एंड वन कॉमन आर्म। अब अगर दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स को ऐड करके 180 डिग्री आए तो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स के पेयर को हम लीनियर पेयर बोलेंगे। सी इन दिस फिगर AOC and BOC, there are two angles, adjacent angles, having one common vertex, having a common vertex O and one common arm OC। अब देखो अब इन दोनों को ऐड करके कितना आ रहा है 180 डिग्री। Therefore AOC and BOC forming a linear pair। अब इनको हम लीनियर पेयर भी बोलेंगे। अगर दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स को ऐड करके 180 डिग्री आए तो उनको हम लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स बोलेंगे। Next is vertically opposite angles. Two angles are formed. The vertically opposite angles are formed when two lines intersect each other at a point. अगर दो lines किसी एक point पे intersect करती हैं या cut करती हैं तो जो opposite angles के pair बनेंगे these are called vertically opposite angles. Here AOC is equal to BOD. This is a pair of vertically opposite angles. Another pair is AOD and BOC is another pair of vertically this is vertically opposite. These are two vertically opposite angles. Clear? And vertically opposite angles are always equal. Here AOC is equal to BOD, AOD is equal to BOC. This we will prove in theorem also. Next is very important topic of this exercise, 6.1 exercise. Linear pair axiom. There are two linear pair axioms. First is if a ray stands on a line, then sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. अगर एक रे किसी लाइन के ऊपर लाई करती है, स्टैंड करती है, इफ़ अ रे स्टैंड्स ऑन अ लाइन, तो रे के साथ दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स बनेंगे और उनका सम क्या होएगा 180 degree. This is first linear pair axiom. Here AOB is a line, OD is a ray. AOB एक लाइन है, OD एक रे है। अगर लाइन के ऊपर एक रे स्टैंड करती है तो इसमें देखो दो एडजेसेंट एंगल बनते हैं। फर्स्ट इज़ AOD एंड सेकेंड इज़ BOD। अगर एक रे लाइन के ऊपर स्टैंड करती है तो दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम क्या होएगा हमेशा 180 डिग्री। दिस इज़ first linear pair axiom. Second linear pair axiom is if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then non-common arms of angles form a line. अगर दो adjacent angles का sum 180 degree हो, this is converse of previous axiom. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, अगर दो adjacent angle का sum 180 degree हो, then non-common arms of the angles form a लाइन। तो जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स हैं वो एक लाइन बनाएंगी। हेयर देयर आर टू एडजेसेंट एंगल्स। फर्स्ट इज XOZ एंड सेकेंड इज YOZ। अब इनकी कॉमन आर्म कौन सी है OZ। नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स आर XOY एंड OX एंड OY। दीज आर नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स। अब देखो इन दोनों का सम कितना है 180 डिग्री, ये गिवन है। इफ़ XOZ प्लस YOZ इज़ 180 डिग्री, दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री है, तो नॉन कॉमन आर्म से क्या बनती है लाइन। देयरफॉर XY इज़ अ लाइन। आई एम कंक्लूडिंग दीज टू एक्सियम्स। अगर एक रे लाइन के ऊपर स्टैंड करे तो एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होगा। अगर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री है देन नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स फॉर्म अ line. Next is theorem. It's very important. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. अगर कोई दो lines किसी एक point पे intersect करती हैं तो vertically opposite angles बनेंगे, और अगर vertically opposite angles बन रहे हैं तो वो equal भी होंगे, ये आपने प्रूव करना है। थ्योरम प्रूव करने के लिए हम इसको तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं। पहले हमको लिखना होता है गिवन, व्हाट इज़ गिवन इन द स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट इज़ टू प्रूव एंड हाउ टू प्रूव इट। प्रूफ फर्स्ट, लेट AB एंड CD इंटरसेक्ट लाइन, मैंने ऊपर सिंबल लगाया लाइन का, लेट लाइन AB एंड CD इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट पॉइंट O। हमने दो लाइन्स ली AB एंड CD इंटरसेक्टिंग एट पॉइंट O। and you have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Here vertically opposite angles are AOC and BOD. You have to prove AOC is equal to BOD and AOD is equal to BOC. आपको prove करना है. So next step is to prove. How to prove it? Proof of the statement. Now angle AOD. This is angle AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. This angle AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair axiom. Because if a ray stands on a line, sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. So by linear pair axiom, their sum is 180 degree. I am taking this as first equation. Similarly, angle AOD plus AOC, again 180 degree, again by linear pair axiom. So I am taking this as equation number 2. Now comparing first and second equation. What do you observe from first and second equation? From first and second equation, left hand side is not same, but right hand side is same, 180 degree. If right means both left hand sides are equal to 180 degree, so these are equal to each other. So angle AOD plus BOD is same as angle AOD plus angle AOC, क्योंकि दोनों 180 डिग्री के इक्वल है तो ये आपस में भी इक्वल है. Now angle AOD cancelled out. What is left? Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. यही आपको प्रूव करना था. Angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. Similarly, you can prove angle AOD is equal to BOC. Hence proved. Thank you, students.